chicken. When you're coming back from the market, buy one big lunch for me. I need curry goat and white rice. Got that?
Yeah. Do you need any drinks?
Orange juice.
Okay.
Fried chicken. Where is Chipsy?
Burger. I don't know.
What are you doing here?
Buy food for DJ.
My youth. The cook shop is across the road.
Yeah, so. What's the deal?
Nothing. See you later.
Burger.
What?
You didn't see me.
Really?
Yeah. Why did you box me?
Just checking if I see you. Chipsy. What we are going to do? Black Rice and Samir. What am I going to do to them? These little kangaroos won't leave us alone. Samir. Chipsy late for practice. I'm going to destroy that little rat.
Respect. I need one extra curry goat and white rice. I need one big orange juice. Make it 2 orange juice.
Okay. Fried chicken. Your order on the way.
Respect. DJ. The food in the kitchen.
Iron. Chicken, where's Burger and Chipsy?
I see Burger by the market. But Chipsy gone to football practice.
Zine. Chipsy, you ready for the field? Long time. Samir. Look, Chipsy is over there with Roundhead. Roundhead. We are in big trouble. Chipsy going into the dump truck. Today. Chipsy, it's your time. Samir. You and Black Rice leave us alone. Or else. I make my mad uncle deal with you. Black Rice. Chipsy think he has a bad mad uncle. He is bluffing.